Lakad ka na. Yan, papanik kami ng I love Mama Mary. Yan, papanik yung asawa ko yan, oh. Yan. Panik siya. Sama si Airpot. Yan, oh. Pakaganda rito, guys. Yun. Looking. Sila Ikel.
These two sacraments are twin sacraments that we are instituted or we are born at the same time. And they are born at this time purposely for God to express His love for us, His friendship for us,
Yung may kargang
authentic relationships.
mga bibi. Limitado lang Ay, hiningal ka. Kulang sa practice.
And that's why
Kulang sa practice.
are attached
Sana sila?
to the service.
Tawal mo.
Nawawala nga, hindi ko alam.
Kapal pa ng damit mo.
Hindi ko alam kung
Sabi siya manipis lang gagamitin pagka
manipis lang ito.
Tingnan mo, abangan ko dito. Doon niya sila pumanik. Ha? Pumanik doon. Sila, kaya nga hindi ang pumanik.
And that's why Simon Peter is scandalized